This is it. The 2025 AJP PR7 has officially landed, and yes, it's not just bold styling. It's better, stronger, and ready to conquer. Built to lead. Born to roam. Let's dive into what makes this adventure thumper the unicorn everyone's been dreaming of. First up, what's new compared to 2024? We hear you. The PR7 now rocks a redesigned front deflector for better aerodynamics, brand new side panels, a sleeker rear fender, and updated graphics. Under the skin? A revised airbox with a twin air foam filter, new GPR exhaust manifold geometry, and an overhauled electrical system, with sealed relays and a nav button connection. Add in a fresh expansion tank, revised fuel line, and full LED angel eye lighting. Yes, LEDs, finally. At its heart, the 2025 PR7 keeps that torquey 600 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, DOHC, for valve engine. It's liquid-cooled, runs an Athena Get injection system with a 4.5mm throttle body, and mates to a 6-speed gearbox. Smooth across the rev range and as reliable as ever, perfect for adventure far from home. And yes, it's still Euro 5 street legal in most of Europe. Just check with your local dealer. For our friend asking about horsepower? Expect around 60 HP in the Euro 5 trim. And yes, it's road registrable in much of Europe, including the Netherlands. The frame? Aluminum steel composite. The ride? Plush. With a Rally-style waterproof seat and improved ergonomics, this is the most comfortable PR7 yet. Suspension duties are handled by ZF Sachs, a 48mm closed cartridge fork with 300mm travel up front, and a fully adjustable shock with 280mm travel at the rear. Stopping power? Brembo brakes with braided lines. 21-inch front, 18 rear. Ground clearance? A serious 310mm. And yes, for those asking, the steering radius has been slightly improved thanks to revised geometry. To everyone asking, yes, the touchscreen still needs work. AJP, we're looking at you eyes. And for our friends in California, sorry, still no street legal version there. But if you're in Europe and love rugged, light, simple tech with Dakar blood in its veins, this is your bike. The 2025 AJP PR7, no compromises, no nonsense, just pure, war adventure. Get ready to ride.